So it's Easter Sunday, and Steve called and said, "Hey man, do you got any ideas? My sister's 5th gen 4Runner starts, but there's no throttle pedal, nothing. Like like the pedal's dead." And I'm like, "Well, I don't know. I mean, the wiring harness in these, I guess, is made out of something weird. Maybe look under the hood for signs of rodent damage. Maybe they chewed a wire or something." Sometimes I hate to be right. So he popped the cover and found wires chewed right here at the throttle body. And there's 2 wires they've chewed entirely through. There's another one there where they nicked into it a little bit, but they didn't chew it all the way. So I've stripped back the covering, and we've got the wires stripped back. We got heat shrink slid over it. We're going to try and solder the wires back together and see if we can get her to run and driving car. Because after all, it's Easter Sunday, and none of the rental car places are open, and she needs it to get to work in the morning. And yeah, so what are you going to do? Try and help her out, see if we can get it going. But the ultimate test is going to be to see whether or not this little Milwaukee adapter is creating enough juice that we can use a soldering iron to fix the wires, because it's too far away from any power outlet. We don't have enough extension cord, and yeah, nowhere's open to go get like one of the propane or butane powered soldering irons. So this is what we're doing. Wish us luck.
In the face.
Sorry, what was that?
Steve says he's gonna video it vertically. I told him I was gonna punch him in the face. So I just tinned up my first wire. So I think this is gonna work. Just gotta hold it on there long enough for the heat to transfer into the copper wire, and let the solder start to do its thing and flow into the wires. Come on, baby. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. I think. Oh yeah. Very nice. Very nice. It's just a matter of trying to not. Just figuring out the. I think we got them. Going to very nice, very nice. So watch your arm on the soldering iron, but yeah, so we got them all soldered together, gave them a little tug test, and now we just slide the heat shrink over them and warm it up, and hopefully do that. Got a little. Pretty much something like that. All right, here's the test. Oh yeah, it's gonna do that because we had the battery disconnected. There it goes. It works. Yeah, that's what happens. You let them sit for 4 days, the chipmunks get to the wiring. Bum deal. Quick fix. Got her back on the road. On to the next project.